Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you guys like this video, sub to our YouTube channel by clicking that button, and also click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our brand fresh off the press new videos. Also, guys, in the description down below, you'll find access to our free educational videos playlist on our channel. You click that link, it brings you here dozens and dozens of free educational videos to learn about the cryptocurrency space. So immediately we enter the fear and greed index, currently at around 30. Wow, what a surprise. Yesterday it was 30, and today, well, last week it was 30. I mean, guys, what can I say? The fear and greed index has been stable coining, essentially, just going sideways for the past couple of days and weeks. But what matters is that we're above the 20 level. And right now, 30 is being that key support maybe before we continue on up to test the previous highs at around 47, guys. So stay tuned in the fear and greed index to see what's going to happen with that. Guys, Bitcoin, insane candle for the day, extremely volatile. We went all the way from $20,160 all the way up to $21,300. That's $1,000+ move in under 24 hours for Bitcoin, man. It's exciting when that happens. We do see the sell wick here. So a lot of people, trying to take profits from trades up at these levels around the 21,000 area. But, we do see that we're trying to pierce through, that key resistance of $20,786. So we have to see if Bitcoin has enough juice, enough power, enough strength to continue on to the next resistance level of $21,550. Guys, on a weekly note, we do see that Bitcoin's holding that $18,789 support level beautifully. If we draw, we do see a W formation here, a lot of support down at these levels. So that's pushed up the price recently in the past couple of weeks, 3 straight weeks to be exact, as we can see the candles. We're trying to get above these key moving averages, trying to go towards that next key resistance level on the weekly of $22,650 level, which meets with the 21-week moving average here. So, there's a lot of confluence. If this candle closes above, these key moving averages down here and this, down sloping trend line, then we do expect, and based on probabilities, a more likely scenario of trying to attempt to retest that key resistance at the $22,650 mark. For the DXY, wow, what a candle today. Insanity. We basically gave 1, 2, 3, 4 straight green candles that we had, since these levels, basically where we're at today. We gave up all that progress in just one candle. Insane red, negative, bearish candle on the DXY, trying to pierce through once again, where we had multiple fake outs. We had one, here below the blue trend line, and one here recently, below the blue trend line. And then we wick through with this candle, and now we're attempting again to pierce through. And again, when we attempt to break a support that many times, then usually it's successful, in a longer term time frame in that sense. So, keep it in mind. Look at that. What a candle. What an engulfing bearish candle, guys. Insane. This candle is larger than the previous one, usually indicating further downside. So the DXY, that dollar index, the Dixie, is not looking good right now. So definitely next week we'll provide you guys an update with regards to that. So here we have the top 5 performing asset classes for the past 7 days. We start immediately with Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at around essentially $21,000, up 1.83%. Then we have number 2, Ethereum, at around $1,640, up 5.60%. Then we have, number 3, Tether. No, not really. It's BNB, currently at around $350 a pop, up 18.42%. Then we have number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 50 cents, half a dollar, up 5.15%. And then number 5, we have Dogecoin is back, currently at around 12 cents, up 48.33% in the past 7 days. Man, must be nice. Then we move on to the top 5 best performing assets during the past 7 days. Currently we have Loopring, LRC. That sounds like hula hooping for some reason in my brain. It's currently at around 40 cents, up 45.28%. Number 2, we already went over the Doge. Number 3, Arweave, currently at around 14.40 up 40% in the last 7 days. And then we have number 4, OKB, currently at around $21, up 30%. And then we have Mina, currently at around 78 cents, up 25% in the past 7 days, man. And look, to round it off, honorable mention, Chili's, a restaurant coin, currently at around 25 cents, up 25.73%. Man, must be nice. Guys, we have the top 5 worst performing assets for the past 7 days. Currently, we started with Aptos, currently at around $7.46, down 10.33%. Number 2, Ethereum Powwow, currently at around $6.50, down 8.32%. Number 3, Casper, currently at around 4 cents, down 7%. Number 4, Clayton, is currently at around 23 cents and down 7.53%. And then number 5, Terra Classic, the scam, currently at around, that's just, it's, under a penny free. I got down 6% in the past 7 days. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to click on the link in the description below to take you to our website where you can find access to our social networks, cryptocurrency exchanges, just any tools and resources that you might need. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell for our fresh off the press brand new videos. And also don't forget to swing by and follow us on our Twitter page. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.